Hey, what's up guys? In this video today compare two best tablets, which is Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro versus Xiaomi Pad 6. So let's see the full comparison video. Now for display comparison, display type, resolution, display size, PPI density, has touch screen, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, brightness, protection. Now for storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, has card slot. Now for design comparison, has body weight, has body dimensions, SIM slot, has body colors, has body frame. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, has processor, graphic processing unit. Now for rear camera comparison, rear camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, has flash, has video records. Now for selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, has video records. Now for connectivity comparison, has Bluetooth, has Wi-Fi, has NFC, infrared port, has radio, USB connectivity, has Wi-Fi direct. Now for battery comparison, battery type, battery capacity, battery wireless charging. Now for sensor comparison, has accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity. Now for sound comparison, has loudspeaker, has 3.5 mm jack. Now for price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Gadgets Compare.